Hey there, Leslie Sansone Williams here. Hope you're doing well today. I'm going to talk today about whether going in as a legal secretary into the legal field will hurt your career ultimately as a paralegal. Will you be able to make that transition from being a legal secretary? And yes, you can. But I'm going to give you a couple scenarios here. I went in as a legal secretary, legal receptionist, errand runner, file clerk, answering most of the phones, all of that, and started my career in that way. A lot of us started that way. So yes, is there opportunity though within the same law firm? That's the question for you. If the law firm or the government agency is part of a huge agency, or the law firm is a global law firm. I worked for one that had 700 attorneys worldwide. Are there opportunities? Yes, there are, but there are sometimes limitations in the beginning. When I talked to one manager of a law firm, she said that they don't promote from within for a year because they want to keep you in that position for a year. You're learning as an entry-level person. Well, that makes sense. But I'm here to tell you that no matter where you're working, if your attorney really likes you and likes the work you do, they won't want to see you leave. And so that presents an issue that you cannot move forward and you can feel stuck. You know, they're not going to give you raise upon raise. That's incredible in that position. They're not going to do it. So you have to take that bull by the horns, so to speak, and take care of you, take care of your career, and learn all that you can in your first position and stay there for a year if possible. And then after that, look for opportunities. You know, how much did you learn? That's why I tell you to keep track of everything you're learning in a notebook so that you can look back on that and understand how to articulate that in an interview. So you will learn so much by working as a legal secretary. You will. These two positions, legal secretary and paralegal, overlap. The duties overlap often. Don't think that the legal secretary's down here, paralegals up here, or they're so completely different. Oftentimes the duties overlap. I know one paralegal that has an administrative assistant that helps her, that hopes to be a paralegal one day. Could that person promote within the firm? It depends on the firm or the company and whether they do that. And also, will the attorney be okay with that? It gets a little political with the attorney letting that employee go. So sometimes they're not too happy with that. So understand that this is your career. You're building it. You build it for you. You may have to make that choice of, I'm not going to be able to stay in this law firm, and if I want to move up. And sometimes that is a choice we have to make. I've made it many times, but it's good for you to take care of your career and raise your salary along the way yourself, and all will be well. But if you get a chance to get your foot in the door as a legal secretary, would I take it? Yes. And I did 30 years ago. And it's still the same today. Get that foot in the door. I wouldn't go in as a legal receptionist and that's it. If it was legal secretary, legal receptionist, I might take that as an entry level, but I would never just take receptionist. That's puts you too much in a box, okay? All right, any questions or comments, post below. I'm going to put a link to my website always in the description box, so check that out. The Paralegal Inner Circle class launches in less than 2 weeks on the 15th. So get ready for that, over 35 videos, and it will get you ready for the paralegal career like nothing else. So have a great day, and I'll talk to you in the next video.